Hey everyone, Jofranz here, and today we are here with yet another video, and this is my first unboxing on this channel and I'm excited because it's also my first drone. Okay, so I have here with me the DJI Mini 2. So actually I got this product a few days ago. So this is just gonna be a quick unboxing and I'm just gonna show you what's inside the box. So I have here with me is the DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo. You can also get the basic or the standard package, but I prefer that you buy the Mini 2 because of the extra batteries, and for me, for what you pay on the Fly More combo, it's much better. So let's go. So how do we do this? Let's unbox it. That sound. Okay, so it says here, before I quick unbox, it's a quick specifications. It's ultralight and foldable. It has a max flight of 31 minutes, 10 kilometers, OcuSync 2.0 video transmission, level 5 wind resistance, 3-axis gimbal camera, 4K video, panorama, quick shots, and one-tap videos. So we're not gonna talk about that in this video. We're gonna talk about the unboxing. So, quite excited. So there it goes. So once you open the box, there's a bag, and I don't know if you get this bag with the standard edition, but here it is. Nothing left on the box. Let's put that aside for now. So we're gonna open this. So this is the box, and I can say the bag is very it screams quality. So there, this is some leaflet, and here it goes. Okay, so as you open it, first you see here is the drone. Oh my god, it's so small. I know it's small, but I didn't expect that it to be this small. And you have your controller. I guess this is the controller. These are accessories, and these are, I think these are manual. So that's it for inside the box. Oh, there's still some propellers. So the propellers here, have everything here. So that's it. I think wala na. Yeah, wala na. So we're gonna put this bag aside and let's see what's in here. So you have the drone with stickers on it. You have the controller. So let's unbox this. Unwrap it, I mean. Oh my god, it's actually bigger than the controller. Yeah. And you have propellers. You have 3 pairs of extra propellers. I think these are the joysticks, extra joysticks. This is a screwdriver replacement for the propellers. And this is, it's still sealed. Manuals. And do you even read these manuals? And here is the other accessories. So the charging brick, the battery pack, and cords. And this is your charging cable. So let's unbox this. Oh yeah. So as you can see, there are two extra batteries, and if I'm not mistaken, the other battery is here. So let's remove it. Oh yeah, tama, it's here. It's here. So you have this is what you get with the Fly More combo. So this is the drone, this is the controller, the new controller actually from the mini one. It has the old one, it shares the controller with the Spark. 3 pairs of extra propellers, screwdriver, extra joysticks, and battery pack. So this is just a quick unboxing. I'm not gonna do a review on this yet. I'm just gonna take my time and play with this drone and give my initial thoughts after a few days of use. Okay, so for my first flight, let's see each other in the Great Wall of Baguio. In 3, 2, 1, boom. Hey everyone, so we just reached here in Ongasan. Time check tayo, Ariel. Time is exactly 6:30.
7:06.
Oh, 7:06 pa pala. So we're gonna set up the drone and we're just gonna have our first flight. So see you in a bit. Hey everyone, so that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have some questions or comments, just leave them down in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'm gonna do more contents on this DJI Mini 2. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.